Ready to liberate your crypto from Robinhood and take control with Trust Wallet? First, open your Robinhood app and navigate to the crypto section. Find the specific cryptocurrency you want to transfer, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Tap on the cryptocurrency and then look for the send or withdraw option. This might be hidden under a transfer button depending on your Robinhood app version. Now, switch over to your Trust Wallet app. On the main wallet screen, locate the same cryptocurrency you're transferring from Robinhood. Tap on it, then select the Receive button. This will display your Trust Wallet address for that specific cryptocurrency. You'll see a long string of characters. That's your address. Copy this address carefully. You can also use the QR code if Robinhood supports it. Return to the Robinhood app and paste the Trust Wallet address into the designated field. Double check every character to ensure it's accurate. A mistake here could result in lost funds. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Be mindful of any potential transaction fees that Robinhood may charge. These fees will vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network conditions. Review all the details on the confirmation screen one last time. Make absolutely sure the address is correct and that you understand the fees. Once you're certain, confirm the transfer. The transfer time can vary depending on the cryptocurrency and the network. It might take a few minutes or even a few hours. You can check the status of the transaction on both Robinhood and Trust Wallet.